Look at this result. No scratches, no swirl marks, just a deep, clean black finish with incredible reflections. And if you want your car looking this good and staying this way for longer, keep watching. We're going to show you step by step exactly how we got this result. A great result starts from the very first minute, and that means proper decontamination. We start with the wheels, then foam the entire car to loosen dirt and road grime before touching the paint. From there, we use a soft wash mitt to safely remove the remaining contamination and rinse everything away. Next comes IronX to dissolve embedded iron particles and brake dust that a regular wash can't remove. Then we foam the car again and move into our clay bar treatment to leave the paint as clean and smooth as possible. After one final rinse, we dry the Tesla using an air blower to minimize unnecessary contact with the paint. Because especially on black paint, the less unnecessary contact, the lower the chance of introducing new marks before the real work even begins. Now we move into paint correction. And yes, even a brand new vehicle can benefit from a little correction. New doesn't always mean perfect. Small scratches, light swirl marks, water spots, or minor imperfections can already appear during those first miles on the highway, from an improper first wash, or simply from handling the vehicle before delivery. And before we cover the paint with PPF, we want to make sure we're protecting the best version of it possible. This becomes even more important on a black car. Black paint is beautiful, but it's also unforgiving. Under the right light, every little imperfection becomes visible. That's why we carefully refine the finish, bringing back that deep black color, sharp reflections, and mirror-like appearance. Because when black paint is properly corrected, you don't just see the shine, you see the quality of the work behind it. And that's exactly the condition we want before moving into protection. Now that the paint looks this good, the next question is, how do we keep it this way? That's where our Level 3 PPF package comes in. We're protecting the full hood, front bumper, fenders, headlights, mirrors, rocker panels, rear bumper deck, rear wheel splash areas, pillars, and roofline. The areas that take the most abuse every time you hit the road. And on a fast, low car like this Tesla Model S Plaid, that protection makes even more sense. Rocks hit the front end. The tires throw debris against the sides, and little by little, those impacts start leaving permanent reminders on that perfect black paint. PPF is about enjoying the car without worrying about every single mile. But here's where installation really matters. At Xtreme, we want the PPF to disappear. We use large, single pieces whenever possible, minimize unnecessary seams and relief cuts, and wrap or hide edges where the panel allows it. On black paint, there's nowhere to hide a bad installation. You should see deep reflections and beautiful body lines, not the film. And we back that installation with Lumar Valor, featuring self-healing properties, a hydrophobic surface, excellent optical clarity, and a 12-year manufacturer's limited warranty. The result? Drive it. Enjoy it, and let the PPF worry about the road. And we don't forget the small details. Lower bumper sections, cameras, bumper accents, and other exposed areas get the same attention, because complete protection is about more than just the big panels. Once the PPF is installed, we take one more step and carefully seal the edges. It may seem like a small detail, but it helps secure the film, keep the edges cleaner, and maintain that seamless appearance for years to come. Sometimes the smallest steps make the biggest difference in the final result. And if you think the protection stops there, think twice. Now we move inside the car with window tint, one of those upgrades you can actually appreciate every single time you drive. More comfort, less glare, UV protection, added privacy, and a completely different look. PPF protects the car you love. Window tint improves the experience of driving it. Just like with PPF, a great window tint result starts long before the film touches the glass. Preparation and cleaning are everything. We carefully shrink the film to match the shape of each window, then thoroughly clean the glass to remove dust, dirt, and contamination that could become trapped underneath. This is what helps us achieve that smooth, clean finish you expect from a professional installation. Then comes the fit. Our precise patterns allow us to achieve clean edges and accurate coverage without unnecessary gaps. When the preparation, pattern, and installation all come together, you get more than great-looking tint. You get a clean installation designed to stay that way and reduce the chances of lifting or peeling over time. And here it is, the final result. A Tesla Model S Plaid ready for the track, the highway, and everyday driving, with PPF helping protect those high-impact areas from rock chips, scratches, and road debris. Inside, the window tint takes the driving experience to another level with more comfort, less glare, added privacy, and 99% UV protection for you and the interior. And the best part? Both services are backed by Lumar. Premium protection, professional installation, and peace of mind every time you get behind the wheel. Now this Tesla doesn't just look incredible, it's ready to be driven.